Welcome back guys, Crypto channel. Today in simple video, I just simplify all information and I will explain you everything what you need to know, just the basic information about the risk management. It will help you a lot for sure. So trust me, just watch this video till the end and share this video with your friends. So it will be useful. Guys, on YouTube, just a millions videos about the risk management, money management. You know, there's no growl, no magic pill, what strategy to use to be profitable. The key moment, it's discipline and the strategy. So let's move on step by step. So what is risk management? First of all, it's your system. What inside a system? So basically, it's 3 key moments. Trading strategy, your personal trading strategy. If you trade a smart money concept, it's good for you. And if you're profitable, it's good for you. If you traded just the classic triangles and you're profitable on a distance, it's good for you. If you traded Elliott waves and you're profitable, it's good for you. So there is no magic or some wrong or right strategies. Got it. So it's a one moment. Second one, it's your psychology, your emotion. You need to work with your emotional state. You know, you need to know when to stop, when to trade, when to not trade. You know, it's totally individual, but it's psychology. Next one, it's money management. So you need to not just count what the risk per trade to open position or a close position. And we talk not only about the futures, we talk about a spot also. And even about investing. And you need to understand your capital, your deposit, and you need to separate your money for living, for your family, to pay the bills, you know. And because in crypto, a lot of people just go all in because some influencers show you this information. Now it's the time to go all in. Just sell your house, just forget about the kids. Go all in now because this talking will skyrocket to the moon. Guys, don't listen to this fancy stories because on a distance, one day, maybe one time by luck, you get a profit. Second time by luck, you get a profit. But third time, you can lose everything. A lot of stories, unsuccessful stories, so bad stories, horrible stories, the people ruin their life because they gamble too much, they addicted too much because they think if I win one time, I can do this second time. And on the distance, you can lose everything. That's why you have to separate the money for a living, for, I don't know, for bills, for your kids, for family. And the second one, it's split your deposit for 3 parts. It's just my recommendation. Like investing. So this is money what I can afford to invest, and I don't care about this money on a distance for in the next 3 years, 5 years. I don't care. I will. My life didn't change if I invested this money now in crypto, high risky market, and even after 5 years, I will feel comfortable. Second part of this money, it's like for futures trades, intraday trades, maybe swing trades. And the third part, it's just the stable coins, just some stable coins for some black swan or some unpredictable moves on the market. You always have to keep some stable coins. Of course, it's so hard because it's like this amount of stable coins treat you. Invest me now because you can get a profit, guys. No, always get a stable coins. And not use that stable coins to add the margin if you're in losses. No, we will talk about a stop loss later. So this is a 3K moment, trading strategy, psychology, money management. It's your system. And you can build it totally individual on your Notion, for example. Just create some list, your rules, your personal rules. For example, you can add moment like, I'm not trade after 9 p.m. So if you feel uncomfortable, if you feel without energy, you work 9 to 5, you after the work, you know, you have to spend a time with your kids. Don't gamble because you can just in frustration click the buttons randomly and lose the money because lack of attention, lack of focus. Next one, it's a risk per daily trade, the weekly risk and a monthly risk. Sometimes we can get a win streak. Sometimes we can get a lose streak, and it's more than okay. It's just a part of our job. It's just okay. So you have to understand it, but you can't control the market, but you can control your risk. This is what under your control. For example, on the daily trades, I just share my my like rules, I'm trying to follow my rules, not all the time. I so disciplined, right? Yes, to be honest. My daily risk per trades can be like 1% or 2%. And for example, that 1 or 2%, let's say 1%, I can divide to 0.5. So I can open 2 trades with 0.5% risk. And if I got one stop loss and the second one, so I lose today the 1% of that amount of money, what I put it for this today intraday trades, I'm not trade today anymore, because it can be like a revenge. I want to try to fight with the market, and I will. I'm 100% sure I will do a lot of mistakes if I will start trade more. So sometimes the more is less. That's why it's only up to you, which is comfortable risk per trade is comfortable for you. So it can be even 5%. And of course, it depends of leverage. Next one is risk per week, because for example, you can get like 3 days profitable. After that, 2 days in losses, and I don't know, 2 days more just neutral at the break even. So it's okay. You're still in a profit, for example. Next one is a monthly risk. So you can afford to lose this month 5% from total capital, what you divide your initial deposit for trades, for investment, for futures trades, and stablecoins we did not touch. So this is a risk. This is a part of risk management. Pretty simple. You can even probably I will share this screenshot. Just simple table in the Telegram channel, so you can download it. Next one, we need to talk about risk rewards, asymmetry loss, and optimal risk. Optimal risk have to be the comfortable leverage. About all leverages, I already posted the video, and the size of your leverage absolutely doesn't matter, because the matter is only the amount of money what you put in. Because, for example, if you trade with $100 and it's a 5x leverage, looks like, wow, it's okay. It's okay. Not a big risk, right? It's like you trade it with 500 and you put your stop loss, depends on your risk, but it's absolutely the same way. Like you traded the $50, but with 10x. So it's absolutely the same. So the stop loss will be absolutely equal. So you have to understand it, because a lot of people think if I use high leverage, I will get a bigger losses. No. the initial money what you put in the margin matter, right? Not the leverages. Also, for example, on some exchanges like Max, I'm not shielding the Max, but sometimes they launch some week or the month or I don't know, maybe the quarter. They give you some trading period without the fee, so you not pay the fee for the trades. So now, for example, I time to time trade a BTC because of zero fee, so I can use even the 20x leverage or even 50x leverage, and pay no fee. It's good. So I save a lot of money. So also pay attention for the fee. Second one, you have to understand your optimal risk per trade. So if I'm trade, for example, 10x, so and 0.5 level in 0.5% per trade, it's like 5% of my initial deposit. That's capital what I put in this trade. But if with the 10x, it will be the 2%, it will be the 20%. So you understand the differences. But it's the same way like 1%, but with a 20x leverage. So you understand. Risk reward, of course, guys, in the books, always, and on YouTube, full YouTube, all of these rules, it's like every trader should trade like risk rewards 1-to-3 ratio. How to count the ratio? I already showed you the example on TradingView. So we just open a long short position tool and just take a look at the ratio. So you can mark your entry and take a look where's your 1-to-3 ratio will be. This is your take profit. But of course, guys, it's just in the perfect world work like this one. So we open here, and here we should close our trade. Sometimes we cannot hit that level. And what's the point? Better fix some profit, better fix a 1-to-2 ratio, but out in a profit than just wait only 1-to-3 and get a stop loss or the break even after. This is also asymmetry losses. I already posted the separated video about this. This is what people don't understand, and especially for the spot. So highly recommend you save this table and understand the losses, because if the token dump, for example, 80% from the top to recover back to your break even, just to the break even, we need to pump not 80% back, we need to pump 400%. That's the point, guys. So that's what the people skip when they talk about the buy the deep. It's good time to buy, right? So all the time use the DCA, all these fancy stories like influencers shield you. So you have to always buy, no matter what, buy. It doesn't work like this one, guys. You can lose a lot of money. So just add your stop loss even on the spot, because if you lose 30%, the token should recover back 43%, back to recover your losses, just the losses. Not a profit. The last table, what I would like to share with you in this video, it's about the risk ratio, win rate, and the profit on a distance. What does it mean? The left column here, if you trade 1-to-1 ratio, let's say you open position or buying on the spot, but on a spot you can get a liquidation. Let's say on futures, you open position and you trade 1-to-1 ratio. Your risk $100. It's let's say $100, you open position, 10x leverage, so 10% down, you get a liquidation. So your risk $100, and you chase that $100 profit, no matter what happened after that. So it's your plan. You trade 1-to-1 ratio. Next one, for example, 1-to-1.5 ratio, 1-and-2, 1-and-2.5, 1-and-3, 1-to-3.5, 1-and-4. So let's say in average, if you trade with the risk ratio 1-to-2, your risk $100 and you chase to get a profit $200. Got it? If you open, let's count an average, 10 trades, and 4 of them you close in the profit. So your win rate is 40%, 6 in losses, 4 in profit. And if you trade with a 40% win rate and you trade by this condition, like 1-to-1 ratio, on the distance, you will be in the profit plus 20% profit. So this is the way how you can count. But for example, if you will trade and your win rate only 30% and you trade 1-to-2 ratio, you will be in losses 10%. If your strategy is 50% all the time, it's like a balance, 50% profitable, and you trade like 1-to-3 ratio, so you like open 5 trades to 1-to-3 ratio in the profit, and 5 you get a liquidation, for example, or the stop loss, you will be 100% profit on a distance. Nice one. Not a big numbers, maybe, because people chase like 5,000% gains or so, with the high leverages. But guys, on a distance, it's good one. It's good one. So if every single month you will trade with a 50% win rate with 1-to-3 ratio, every single month, 100% profit. So imagine it will be like 1,200% gains to your initial deposit during the year, 12 months. So that's the point, guys. So I will leave all of this table, on Telegram channel, so you can just save it. I highly recommend you guys share this video with your friends, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.